basic ingredients. The first is 1 plate of white rice, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 clove of onions, chili, some meatball, and some sausage.
First, heat the frying pan by using a medium flame.
After the cooking oil is hot, put the garlic, onion, and chili. Stir all the materials until right and fragrant. Put the supplementary materials according to your taste. Put eggs and scramble until cooked. Stir until cooked. Add the salt. Add the sausage and the meatball. After everything on the frying pan was fragrant, serve into the plate.
Here it is. This is a fried rice from Group 1.